Gold Eagle Actual, Shadow 1 is weapons hot. We're burning daylight here.
Copy, Graves. Stand by. Laswell, do we have confirmation?
Watcher 1 to Bravo 07. You in position?
Nearly there. Got a heli incoming.
That's General Ghobrani.
Right on time. Now get up there and let's see what he's up to in the middle of nowhere.
I'm eyes on.
What do you see?
Armed personnel, armor and hardware, all Russian.
What the hell are the Russians doing with Ghobrani?
Supply in Iran. It's an arms deal.
You copying this, Shadow 1?
Affirmative. 2 birds, 1 stone.
We need positive ID on Ghobrani before we kick this off, boys.
Ghost, can you identify the general? Ghost, get your glass in there and find the general.
Armed escorts around one VIP. Russians are very happy to see him.
It'll be the last time they do.
Watch that VIP, Ghost. That's gotta be him.
Visual on General Ghobrani.
Copy. All stations, target confirmed.
Shadow 1, you are cleared hot for launch.
Roger that, Actual.
Ghost, you are danger close to the zone. This arrow's gonna pack a punch.
Copy approved. Send it.
All stations, Shadow 1. Missile is ready for immediate delivery.
Stand by for launch. Coordinates in. Target designated. 2,
1. Shot out! Missile in blue.
Target acquired. This will take some manual guidance to hold her. Missile bearing northeast 065 degrees at Mach 3. Altitude 500 meters.
Right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Check. Coming in hot. Brace for impact. Time to target. 5 seconds. Termination in 3, 2, 1. Target acquired. This will take some manual guidance to hold her. Missile bearing northeast 065 degrees at Mach 3. Altitude 500 meters.
Right in the pocket. Stay with it.
Check. Coming in hot. Brace for impact. Time to target. 5 seconds. Termination in
Fucking hell. Direct. Target destroyed.
Come in. Laswell.
General Shepard.
Boy, I know that look. Are we at war?
You would be the first to know, sir.
Damn right I would. Talk to me.
We have a hit on Ghobrani's second in command.
Hassan Zyani, Quds Force Major.
He's taken up the mantle for Iran.
Supplying terrorists.
Money, weapons, intel.
Well, he's ambitious.
He's dangerous, sir. He wants retaliation for the Ghobrani strike. He's planning something.
But we can't take him in Iran.
He's not in Iran, sir. He's on the ground in Al-Mazrah.
What the hell is he doing in Al-Mazrah?
There is only one way to find out, sir.
Well, let's get him. What time is it now?
Who do we send?
Wheels up in 5.
Roger.
Marines are loading in now. You and the sergeant are leading the way on this.
Sergeant.
So McTavish.
Let's get ourselves a win, yeah, LT? CVC, sir.
Fucking hell.
Ghost, you copy?
Yes, sir.
Any issues?
Negative, sir. Out here.
Airstrikes are hitting enemy positions bordering Al Mazrah. Intel confirms a concentration of AQ fighters converging in the valley. We believe they're protecting something. Surveillance indicates soldiers guarding 3 structures. Major Hassan may be holed up inside. Ghost and Soap will lead a Marine Special Operations unit to kill or capture Hassan tonight. 1 Helo will insert 2 teams at separate offset points bordering the target area. Bravo team will sweep and clear buildings 1 and 2. Alpha team takes building 3. All shooters have execute authority, but we want Hassan alive for interrogation. Be advised, Major Hassan is AQ's lifeline. If he is there, they will die for him. Good hunting.
Bravo team offloads here. Alpha team stays on board to land downrange. Both teams meet in the middle. Remember, we want Hassan alive, but this is capture or kill. Keep up, so.
Razor 1, all Bravo deployed. Secondary HLT.
All stations, Razor 1 is bracketed. We're getting lit. Incoming! Flares! Flares! Second missile! Razor 1 going down! We're going down!
Hold up.
Alpha, what's your status? Alpha, how copy?
Bravo! Alpha is immobile. Multiple critical. Shit! We're taking effective fire!
Alpha, we're moving to building 1. Hold tight.
Ghost, we need to secure that crash site now.
First we clear for Hassan. That takes the heat off Alpha. Then we secure the crash site. Clear?
Roger that.
Let's move.
Force up to the house.
اضربوا على المروحية! لحد يبعثوا حدا يساعدهم! كل اللي بعتوهم يا هون! اخواننا على الطريق!
Sweep through!
قتلوا اخونا!
First day clear. Negative on Hassan.
Copy that. Second deck's clear.
Roger.
Contact! Building 2!
They know we're in. Move on building 2.
Bravo! Crash site is taking RPGs from building 2. Second deck!
Alpha, taking building 2 now. Hold fast.
Prep for breach.
7-1, moving interior. Ghost. Enemy rockets down.
We hold your soldiers and generals directly responsible for assassinating General.
Ghost, we're secure. Negative on Hassan.
Roger. Time to hit the crash site.
Got a video for Sam.
Hassan's their hero.
They're gonna need a new hero.
And the world must witness the death of those responsible. هؤلاء المجرمين القاتلة سوف نعدمهم في العلن.
You good, mate?
Yeah, plate stopped it. These are fuckers that hit Alpha.
Aye. Now we can secure the crash site.
All Bravo. Circle up outside.
Ghost, Soap. AQ's working with some good gear.
Soap, we're moving to the crash site to help the wounded. Rest of you, hold here and cover us. Raj. Alpha 02, Bravo 07, Building 2 secure. We're coming to you. Alpha copies all. Expect contact. AQ's waiting for us.
Blue, Blue! Damn good to see you guys. We got 5 KIA, 1 wounded. It's just my gun, and I'm low on ammo. Help me move him.
No time. They're here. Get your gun on that tree line.
You see anything?
Got movement.
Gate! Shooters at the wall!
You called it, Elton.
RPG! Fuck! Get your gun up! They're getting close. Go over, Red!
One shot. X-ray down.
We clear? For now. Stay sharp on that tree line.
They're still moving out there!
7-6, call for fire. I want close air on that tree line.
Raj, calling it in.
Dig in, lads. We're not done yet.
07, CAS is 3 minutes out.
Roger that. Air support's inbound.
Hey, we got smoke at the tree line!
No visual.
Yeah, I don't see shit. Incoming! Take cover! They're launching grenades! Two, three's hit! Man down! He's dead. Keep your gun in the fight. Got one! Only a few left. Finish him. Engaging!
No movement.
You good, Soap?
I'm good.
2-3 got hit. He's gone.
7-2, I need you up here now.
Raj, moving.
Ghost, we should fall back to the house.
Negative. We hold or we push forward. Hassan's still out there. 7-6, patch us through to air support.
Raj, stand by.
7 actual, Kilo 01. Fire is 1 mic out.
Kilo 01, you're cleared hot on anything forward of our position. Danger close approved.
Roger that.
Shit, what now?
LT, we got armored vehicles incoming. There's 4 of them.
Conserve your ammo. Let them get close.
Here they come.
Stand by to engage.
Get ready.
Calm down!
Hassan turned AQ and fucking hard.
All Bravo. Kilo 01 is inbound high. Danger close.
Air support's on station.
Engaging secondary.
Kilo 01, gun hit! Gun hit!
We clear? Fucking hope so.
All clear.
Kilo 01, no movement in the area. Thanks for the assist.
Roger that, 7-6. Kilo 01, going into holding pattern.
7-6. Task a bird for casualty evac.
Raj,
Get yourself sorted. The sun is still the target.
Aye. Let's go get this fucker.
Alpha, you're with us.
Roger that, Lieutenant.
Let's move out.
McTavish, on me. Those fuckers used us as bait, didn't they?
They're well supplied and fighting smart. Thanks to Hassan.
Aye. Looks like you were right, LT. You think Hassan's still here?
Heli crash gave them an opening. Let's see if they took it.
My boys are still on station.
Keep them on standby. We're moving in. Raj,
Visual on Building 3.
that's our target. Hassan could be inside.
Man down.
AQ sniper on the roof. Get down!
Soap, take out the shooter. Rest of you stay low until we're all clear. Who's it?
7-5 is down. In the dirt.
How the fuck are they seeing us? AQ's got night vision. We're sitting ducks out here.
Sergeant, you have to move.
Sniper down.
More snipers on the roof. Take them out. McTavish, get down.
More snipers on the roof. Take them out.
McTavish, get down. Sergeant, take that sniper out.
Got another.
Good shot. So, keep us covered. Moving up.
AQ's pressing hard. If Hassan's not here, what the hell is?
We're getting shoot on out here! Not getting through here without air support! 7-6, I will fire on that building now!
Frost, we don't know if Hassan's in there.
They're forcing our hand. 7-6, hit that building, but don't level it!
Kilo 01, call for fire. Target is in the building ahead of us. Do not level the building.
7-6, copy that. Making our run.
That wall. Move!
Glorious sight.
Christ for air support.
Yeah, hope Hassan's still in one piece. Several pieces will do. Easier to find that way. All Bravo, move up. I want this building locked down.
Lead us in, Sergeant.
Let's find Hassan, dead or alive.
Seven 1, moving interior.
Moving in, first deck. Heading into the first deck.
Check the bodies. We need positive ID on Hassan.
Smoked one.
Anyone have eyes on Hassan? Alpha's interior, first deck.
Negative, Hassan.
Negative. No eyes on the HVT.
Negative. No visual on Hassan here.
Got your back.
Not Hassan.
That's not our man.
Pushing first deck.
Heading up to the second deck.
Pushing to second deck.
Got 2 X-rays. Not Hassan.
Dump him.
Clear. Hassan's everywhere.
Everywhere but here.
The perpetrators of General Ghobrani's execution must be sentenced to the death penalty. And the world must witness the death of
Threat eliminated. Heads up, lads. Sneaky little gets are everywhere. Hostile down.
Who's here? This is a bloody op center. Poke around, Soap. Look about. See what you can find. Check for signs of Hassan.
Look, Hassan's uniform. So he was here.
Lost him when we secured the crash site.
Are you saying we shouldn't have helped?
Choices have consequences.
All Bravo, we got movement out here.
On the way. All Bravo, circle up outside.
If Hassan's gone, then what the hell are they still protecting?
Bloody good question. What we got? A warehouse. Roll-up doors open. Heard something inside. Copy. Let's clear it.
Contact!
clear?
All clear.
Search it. Let's find what they were hiding.
What the fuck is this?
It's all in English.
Steaming Jesus.
Ballistic missiles.
It's a mobile launcher.
These will go 1,000 miles.
Yeah, at least.
How the hell did Iran get their hands on this?
7-6. Get us through to Laswell.
Roger, stand by. Bravo 7-6 Charlie to Watcher 1. How copy?
This is Watcher 1, send traffic.
Laswell, this is Ghost. We got something.
Tell me you found Hassan.
Ghost. Take a look at this.
Ghost, do you have Hassan?
Negative. We found a weapons cache. Hassan's got missiles. They're American.
07, this is Gold Eagle. Actual, repeat your last.
I'll say again. Hassan has American missiles.